With summer coming up fast, I have to convince you to get a motorcycle right now. So here are the top 5 reasons you need to get a motorcycle. Honestly, I need more friends to ride with too, so that might be why I'm convincing you guys to come out here with me. It's like the best VR experience ever. Everyone that has a motorcycle will tell you the same thing. It feels like you're free out there. There's nothing else like it. But I'm an upstanding citizen, and I will decide to wait my turn. If you're thinking about getting one, just go get one. You know what I mean? Just go. Absolutely, for mental health benefits, get a motorcycle. The number one and the most obvious reason is for how fun and freeing they are. Obviously, I'm riding right now, so you know it's fun. I'm out here. But even when I'm not riding, I literally watch other people ride on YouTube. So that's how you know it's fun. I want to ride even when I'm not riding. Everyone that has a motorcycle will tell you the same thing. It feels like you're free out there. There's nothing else like it. The second reason you need to get a motorcycle is actually just the obvious stuff. It's gonna be that it's better on gas, that you can weave through traffic easier. Obviously, there are things that cars are better at, but there are definitely things that bikes are better at as well. The third reason you need to get a motorcycle is because of the mental health benefits. Whether you're sad or angry or just need to feel something, every time you get on the bike, I promise you're gonna feel something. Getting on the bike is an easy way to make you focus on what you're doing instead of focus on what is going on in your life. I'm not gonna make a sob story on YouTube, but obviously I go through things just like all of you do, and getting on the bike is huge for me. Absolutely huge, and I hear that from a bunch of different riders all the time. Absolutely, for mental health benefits, get a motorcycle. Look at all that traffic. There's a big lane over on the left here. But I'm an upstanding citizen, and I will decide to wait my turn. While we're sitting in this traffic, let me tell you about the fourth reason you need to get a motorcycle. The fourth reason you need to get a motorcycle is the friendships and the camaraderie. You guys have heard me talk about it before. The camaraderie is huge. The friends that you can make on a motorcycle can be friends that'll stick with you for life. Obviously, you guys see groups of bikers riding around all the time, so you know that people ride together, and obviously there's stuff like biker gangs and all that. I'm not going to get into all that. Honestly, I need more friends to ride with too, so that might be why I'm convincing you guys to come out here with me. The fifth reason you need to get a motorcycle is because of how much more involving it is to ride a bike than to drive a car. I remember when I first went from an automatic car to a manual car and realized how much more of the machine you can feel. It feels like you're really a part of the car when you're driving manual. And driving manual is nothing in comparison to riding a motorcycle. It's like you and the bike are one being. When you move, the bike moves. What you do, the bike does. It's completely immersive. It's like the best VR experience ever. Looks like we found some biker buddies. We got one up front, one in the mirror. Trying to check my phone, I didn't think the light would change, so here I am holding my glove. Kind of lame, but it is what it is. Makes it real awkward though. I personally love kind of how much you have to pay attention while you're out here. I don't know, it's really fun, honestly. Being on a bike, it's like the most exhilarating video game you've ever played in VR, where you use your whole body and you feel everything that's going on. I don't know how to explain it. You gotta get one. If you're thinking about getting one, just go get one. You know what I mean? Just go. If you like this video and you want to know 5 things you need to ride a motorcycle, click this video right here. Thanks for watching.